All right, let's look at what Euro USD is doing. Let's see if we can see through the market and prepare for our tomorrow trade, the 26th of June 2026. Now, this was our yesterday analysis against today's market. As you can see, the Euro USD didn't do a lot of movement today, but if you recall, I told us that we have two possibilities that can play out in the market today. That is either the market break from this structure, retest and move to the upside, or break to the down and move to the downside. I also told us, if you recall in all my videos, I said for you to trade well, always trap the price between support and resistance. Trap the price between support and resistance. That was what we did yesterday. Then allow the market to break out and retest. Then look for a bullish engulfing candle if you are expecting the market to go to the upside. Then a bearish engulfing candle if you expect the market to go to the downside, or look for a weak rejection. Now just look at how the market played out. It broke out from the structure, came down, and did a deeper retracement, broke out, did a deeper retracement, and it has given us a buying possibility. Okay, so this is what the market is telling us. Now there are so many traders who are already buying this market. They're already buying this market. But if you want to buy this market, I'll tell you what to do. If you want to buy this market, I'll tell you what to do. As the market is opening, if you want to buy it, I'll tell you what to do. But even though this market is giving us a buying possibilities, there's still every tendency that this is a sell market. One, the trend is a downtrend. And let me see, okay, let's remove this. I told us that always look at the market in two directions. That this market, even though it's telling me that I want to sell, this market can buy. Don't look at the market in one direction. Now, let's see. Now, this looks like a break of structure. But there's something else you need to also see. This look like a reversal, like the market have reversed. Now, there's a possibility that the market will continue to the upside because this structure, as the market have break through the structure, retested the structure. So most traders are all waiting for the market to go to the upside. But I won't trade this, not now. Now this is why. The market can decide to do a deeper consolidation, a deeper retracement, a deeper retracement, and move to the upside. Now, why will I not trade this? If I trade this, the most logical place for me to put my stop loss will be around this level. The most logical place and the safest place for me to put my stop will be around this level. Around this level. And that is too wide. is too wide. This is too wide, and though the risk ratio is okay, but the stop loss is too wide, so I won't take this trade. But if you want to take the trade, here's another thing I can advise you to do. Let's go to a 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Let me tell you what you can do. Okay, let's remove this. Now, if I want to trade this is what I will do. I'll put my stop around this level. Then I'll target the next zone. So this is giving me 1:12. This is a very good trade. Now, so if you are trading this, is a very good setup, but there's every tendency that you'll be stopped out. There's every tendency that you'll be stopped out. But it is still safer to be stopped out with your stop loss placed at this level, because this is about 1:9. It's a good risk reward ratio. Good risk reward ratio. But there's every tendency that you can be stopped at, because this is not a logical place to put your stop. But if the market do a deeper retracement, let's assume the market do a deeper retracement to around this level. Now it will be safer because you'll be close to this level for your stop loss. So you can actually take this trade, but I won't trade it because there's no good price action area for me to place my stop. So I won't be taking this, but if I see a deeper retracement, I may consider it. Now, that is the buy possibility, but this is more of a sell market to me than a buy market, because one, the trend is a downtrend. So I'll be looking for selling opportunity. And also looking for buying opportunity. But the buying opportunity will only come if I see a deeper retracement, because we are trading against the trend. If you want to buy this market, you are trading against the trend. So you need good volume, good amount of volume. You need to see good amount of volume in the market for you to take a buy trades. So because the trend is downtrend, I will be looking for selling opportunity. But there is another reason why it may be a buy market, because this is a downward consolidation. But I'm not seeing a lot of volume. That is no confirmation. Even though it's a downward consolidation, a downward trend, I'm not seeing volume. So I think I'll just wait for this market to break back into this level so that I can take to break into this level so that I can take a sell. So what's our trading strategy or our trading setup for tomorrow? Now this is the trading setup. First setup is when you see a volume, if you see volume like a very big engulfing candle or weak rejection, you can take a buy trade, but make sure the market do some level of retracement. That is the first trading strategy, or would I say the first trading setup. Then the second one, which is the one I'll be watching out for, is the market breaking down into this level, then taking a short trade down to this level. That is what I should be expecting tomorrow, because it's more safer if I'm trading to the downside, because of one, the trend is in my favor. Two, I'm not seeing much of the bullish momentum in the market. Okay, so this is the trading setup for tomorrow, 26th of June. So let's see what the market play at. Please don't just jump into a trade. Just do your own analysis, get your confirmation. This is my setup for tomorrow. If I see a confirmation candle to the upside, I'll take the trade. But I'm expecting the market to break down back into this level so I can take a short trade. Okay, that is the setup for tomorrow. The market will open in the next few hours, so that's my setup. So you can trade it with me, do your own analysis. Remember, this video is just for educational purpose. So just pick what you can, add it to your own trading strategy, to your own knowledge, and I believe with time you'll be happy that you connect to this channel. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.